morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic square root. Square root, the definition of square root is A is the square root of A if A squared is equal to B. A squared is equal to B means A is the square root of B. Before that we see about what is square and what is square root. So square means one square. One square is 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2, 4. 3 square is 3 into 3 equal to 9. Similarly, 4 square is 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49, 8 into 8, 64, 9 into 9, 81, and 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Therefore, square means multiply the number with the same number. Multiply 1 into 1, that is called 1 square. 1 squared is 1, and 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. Similarly, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, square means multiply a number into the same number, that is called square. Similarly, we know square root. Square root means square root of 1 equal to square root of 1 into 1 equal to 1. The square root of 4 equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 2. 9 is equal to 3 into 3 equal to 3. 16, 4 into 4 equal to 4. 25 equal to 5 into 5 equal to 1. Now you can understand what is square and square root. Square root means multiply the number to the same number. Square root means we take the number twice that number. 1 means 1 into 1. 4 we can split 4 the 2 into 2, the same number. 9, 3 into 3. And we take one number from the square root, because square root means square root of A is equal to A power half. We can say square root of A is equal to A power half. Similarly, we write square root of 4 is equal to 4 power half, that is equal to 4 power 2 square the whole power half. The 2 cancel, that is equal to square root of one number, that is called that number the whole power. Square root means the whole half power of the root. That is root A is equal to A power half. Root means half power. Now you can understand what is square and square root. Now we go through the exercise. Exercise 3.7. exercise 3.7, the first problem. Find the square root of the first 400 x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 divided by 100 x power 8 y power 4 z power 400 x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 100 x power 8 y power 4 z power 6. Let's see the problem. Square root of this problem. We can find the square root. The numbers we can easily find. But the variables x, y, z. For x power 4, already I told you, square root of a is equal to a power half. Square root means half power. Therefore, we take one variable. Square root of x power 4 is equal to x power 4 the whole power 4. We cut the power, that is x square. Therefore, square root of x power 4 equal to x square. We can easily understand the power, we take the half power. Square root means we divide the power by 2. Then only we get the square root. So that is equal to 400. 400 we can say 20 into 20. X power 4. X power 4 can be written as x square into x square. Similarly, y power 12. Y power 12 can be written as y power 6 into y power 6. Z power 16 is z power 8 into z power 8 divided by 100. 100 is 10 into 10. X power 8, x power 4 into x power 4 into y squared into y squared into z squared into z squared. So now we take square root of 20 into 20. We take one value. Square root of 20 into 20. That is, the order is square root means the order is 2. The order is 2. Therefore, 20 into 20, we take one value. We take one value. That is 20 into 20. Square root of 20 into 20. Now we take the square root is 20. X squared. We take the one value. Y power 6 and z power 8 divided by 10 into x power 4 into y squared into z squared. Now we cancel these numbers. 10 to x squared to y squared y power 4 z squared. The remaining is 6. Therefore, the square root is equal to 2 into y power 4 z power 6 y power 4 z power 6 by x square by x square. Okay. Now we move on to the second problem. Right. Now the second problem. Find the square root of 7x squared plus 2 into root 14x plus 2 by x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 60. First we find the numerator. We take the numerator. The numerator is 7x square plus 2 into root 14x plus 2 equal to. We split the number or factorize the number. Factorize. Factorize means we take the t method. T method is 7 into 2, 14. The sum of the value is 2 into root 14. The product is 7 into 2, 14. The sum of the value is 214. Therefore, we take two numbers. The product is 14 and the sum of the value is 2 root 14. We take root 14 into root 14. Root 14 plus root 14 is equal to 2 root 14. Root 14 into root 14 is equal to, multiply the numbers, that is equal to 14. But divided by the first value, 7x. 7x. Now we can rewrite root 14. Root 14 is equal to 2 into root 7. 2 into root 7 by 7 can be written as root 7 into root 7 into x. Here root of 2 into root 7, 2 into 7 by root 2 7 into root 2 7. Root 2 7 into root 2 7 into x. Now we can cancel root 7, root 2 7, that is root 7 into root 7. Therefore, the remaining value is root 7x plus root 2 into root 7x plus root 2. Plus again we take the numerator, denominator. The denominator value is x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 16. That is equal to, first we take LCM. LCM is 16. 16x square minus 8x plus 1. We take the 16 outside into, factorize the value by t method. 16 minus 8. The product value is 16 into 1, 16. The sum value is minus 8. So we take two numbers, that is the sum of the two numbers is minus 8, product is 16. So minus 4, minus 4 divided by 4x. 16x. 1, 4, 4, 1. Therefore, the answer is 4x minus 1 into 4x minus. Now we come to the square root. Therefore, the square root value is square root of 7x squared plus 2 into root 14x plus 2 can be written as root 7x plus root 2 into root 7x plus 2 divided by 16 into 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 by 16. The 16, now we take the square root. Square root is 16 is 4 modulus of root of 7x plus root 2 by 4x minus 1. Therefore, the square root value we write the modulus of root 7x plus 2 by 4x minus 1. Now, the third sum, exercise 3.5, first third sum. Find the square root of 121 a plus b the whole power 8 into x plus y the whole power 8 into b minus c the whole power 8 divided by 81 b minus c the whole power 4 a minus b the whole power 12 b minus c the whole power 4. That is equal to square root of, directly we write the answer. 121 can be written as 11 into 11. The square number, square root of 121 is 11 into 11. In the a plus b, the whole power 4 into a plus b the whole power 4. We can split into two numbers, the same value. X plus y the whole power 4, x plus y the whole power 4. Into b minus c the whole power 4 into b minus c the whole power 4 divided by 81 can be written as 9 into 9 b minus c the whole squared into b minus c the whole squared. A minus b the whole power 6 into a minus b the whole power 6. B minus c the whole squared into b minus c the whole squared. We split the numbers into two. Power 8 means 4 into 4. X plus y the whole power 4 into x plus y the whole power. Now we take the square root. Square root means we take one value. Suppose there is two same numbers. We take one value, that is 11. 11 into a plus b the whole power 4 into x plus y the whole power 4 into b minus c the whole power 4 divided by 9 b minus c the whole power whole square and a minus b the whole power 6 b minus c the whole square. Now we cancel the values. A plus b the whole power 4, there is no division. Therefore b minus c the whole square a square and b minus c the whole square. Again we cancel the value. Therefore the answer is 11 by 9. 11 by 9 modulus a plus b the whole power 4 into x plus y the whole power 4 x plus y the whole power 4 divided by a minus b the whole power 6 It is the square root value. Got it. Now the second question, find the square root of the following. The first problem, find the square root of 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Now we factorize the sum, that is square root of, we can write 4x squared. 4x squared can be written as 2x the whole square. 4x squared can be written as 2x the whole square plus 20x plus 25 is 5 squared. Therefore the 20x, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. It is in the form of a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, 20x. 2 into a, 2x, but 2 into 2x, 4x. 4x into 5, that is 20. 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x into 5, that is 20x. That is equal to, this is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So it can be written as square root of 2x plus 5 the whole square. 2x plus 5 the whole. Now we take the square root, that is equal to 2x plus 5. Therefore the answer is 2x plus 5. Therefore the square root of this value is 2x plus 5. Now the third sum. Find the square root of 4x squared minus 9x plus 2 into 7x squared minus 13x minus 2 into 28x squared minus 3x minus 1. First we factorize the numbers. First we take the first value, 4x squared minus 9x plus 2. Now we take the T method. T method is 4 into 2, 8. The product value is 8. The sum value is minus 9. First we take two numbers. The product of two numbers is 8 and the sum of two numbers is minus 9. So minus 8, 9, minus 1. Minus 9 plus 1. Sum of the value is minus 9. The product of the value is 8. Therefore we take minus 8 minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1. Therefore the sum is minus 8 minus 1 is equal to minus 9. Minus 8 into minus 1 is equal to plus 8. Divided by the first value 4x cancel the 4. Therefore the factor is x minus 2 into 4x minus 1. X minus 2 into 4x minus 1. We take the second value, that is 7x squared minus 13x minus 2. Now we take the T method, that is the product is minus 14. 7 into 4, 2 minus 14. The sum value is minus 30. The product value is 7 into minus 2 minus 14. The sum value is minus 30. We take two numbers, that is minus 14 plus 1. Minus 14 plus 1. It is divided by 7x. It is divided by 7x. That is equal to x minus 2. X minus 2 into 7x plus 1. We take the other value 28x squared minus 3x minus 1. That is equal to, we take the T method, 28 minus 1 is minus 28. The sum value is minus 3. Therefore, we take two numbers. The multiple of two numbers is minus 28. The product is, sum is minus 3, product is minus 17. That is minus 7 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 28 x 28 1 4 7 1. Therefore, the factor is 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1 into 7x plus 1. 7x plus. Now we come to the question. Therefore, the square root of 4x squared minus 9x plus 2 into 7x squared minus 13x minus 2 into 28x squared minus 3x minus 1 can be written as square root of 4x squared minus 9x plus 2 is x minus 2, 4x minus 1. X minus 2 minus 1 into the second one is 7x squared minus 30x minus 2 can be written as x minus 2 into 7x plus 1. The third value is 4x minus 1 into 7x plus 1. Now we take the square root. Square root means there is two numbers, x minus 2 into x minus 2, 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1, 7x plus 1 into 7x plus 1. We take one value, that is equal to modulus of x minus 2 into 4x minus 1 into 7x plus 1. Therefore, the square root of this value is equal to modulus of x minus 2 into 4x minus 1 into 7x plus 1. That is the answer. Next we move on to the last sum. 3-point exercise, second division, fourth problem. Find the square root of 2x squared plus 17 by 6x plus 1 into 3 by 2 x squared plus 4x plus 2 into 4 by 3x squared plus 11 by 3x plus 2. Now we find the factors. The last problem we did the same method. Now we take the first number 2x squared plus 17 by x plus 1 equal to, first we take the LCM. LCM is 6, 1 by 6 or 6, that is 12x squared plus 17x plus 6. LCM is 6, therefore 6 into 2, 12, 17 and 1 into 6, 6 equal to 1 by 6 into 12x squared plus 17x plus 6. Now we factorize this number value, that is equal to, apply the T method, the product, multiply the first number and the last number. Therefore 12 into 6. 12 into 6 is 72. Team mother. 72. The sum value is 17. The product is 72. The sum value is 70. We take two numbers. The sum of the two numbers is 72. The product is 70. The numbers are 9 and 8 or 8 and 9. 9 into 8, 72. 8 plus 9, 70. Divided by the first value, 12 lakhs. Cancel the values. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 4, 8. 12. 4 into 3, 3 into. Therefore, the first number can be written as 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 3. Into 4x plus 3. We take the second value, that is 3 by 2x. 3 by 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 is equal to. We take the LCM, the LCM is 2. Therefore 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. 3x squared plus 8x plus 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. Now we apply the T method, that is the product 3 into 4, 12. The sum value is 8. Now we take the two values, the product value is 12, the sum value is 8. That is 2 into 2, 6. 2 into 6, 12, 2 plus 6, 8. Divided by the first value 3x. That is 1, 2. Therefore the answer is 1 by 2 into here 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 into 3x plus 2 into x plus 2. Now we take the third value, 4 by 3x squared plus 11 by 3x plus 2. First we take the LCM. LCM is 3. That is 4x squared plus 11x plus 6. With 1 by 3 we take outside. Therefore the remaining 4x squared plus 11x plus 6. That is equal to 1 by 3 into, apply the T method. 4 into 6, 24. 24, 11. We take two numbers, the sum of the two values is 11, the product is 24. That is 3, 8. 3, 8. Divided by the first value 4x. 2. Therefore, the factor is 4x plus 3 into x plus. Now we come to the question, that is square root of 2x squared plus 17 by 6 x plus 1 into 3 by 2 x squared plus 4x plus 2 into 4 by 3x squared plus 11 by 3x plus 2. That is equal to square root of the first value can be written as 1 by 6 into 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 3. The first value can be written as 1 by 6 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 3. The second value can be written as 1 by 2 3x plus 2 1 by 2 into 3x plus 2 into x plus 2. The third value is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 4x plus 3 into x plus 2. Now the denominator value is square root of the numerator is 3x plus 2 4x plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 4x plus 3 into x plus 2 divided by 6 into 2 into. Now we take the square root. Square root means there is two numbers, we take the number 1 outside. That is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 2. That is modulus of x plus 2 into 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 2. By 6 into 2 into 6, that is 36. 6 into 6. Therefore, the square root value is 6 by 6. Therefore, the answer is 1 by 6 into modulus of x plus 2, 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 2. This is the answer. Now we complete the exercise 3.7. Today the class is over. Therefore tomorrow we take